We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day as it provides the much-needed energy to kickstart our day. However, not all breakfast foods are created equal. In fact, many popular American breakfast foods are loaded with saturated fats and sugar, leaving us feeling sluggish and hungry by mid-morning. So, in this video, we'll be exploring the best foods to eat in the morning that are not only nutritious but also satisfying, helping you stay fuller for longer and prevent overeating later in the day. Let's dive in. Number 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a smart breakfast choice for those looking to stay full and satisfied throughout the morning. It's rich in fiber, including beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that has been shown to reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness. In fact, research suggests that people who eat oatmeal for breakfast feel fuller and eat less at lunchtime than those who opt for other breakfast foods. Oatmeal is also a nutritional powerhouse, containing antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, folate, and potassium, among other nutrients. Furthermore, oats can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Steel-cut oats are a good option as they are less processed and contain more protein and fiber than other types of oats. They also have a lower glycemic index, meaning they won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Overall, starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal is a simple and effective way to stay energized and satisfied until your next meal, while also reaping the numerous health benefits associated with this nutritious breakfast option. Number 2. Coffee. Coffee is a popular breakfast beverage known for its caffeine content, which can help you feel more alert and energized in the morning. However, coffee also offers other health benefits due to its high antioxidant content. In fact, a review from the American Diabetes Association found that drinking either regular or decaffeinated coffee could decrease the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The researchers also suggested that some components of coffee improve glucose metabolism. It's important to note, however, that adding cream or sugar to your coffee will reduce these beneficial effects. To maximize the health benefits of your morning cup of coffee, try reducing or avoiding added sugars and choosing non-fat or plant-based milk instead of cream. By doing so, you can enjoy the health benefits of coffee without the added calories and negative effects of excess sugar and saturated fat. Number 3. Tea. Tea is a great option for a healthy breakfast beverage. Black, green, and white teas all contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and protect against certain diseases. However, green tea is believed to be the most healthful, as it may aid in fat burning and weight loss, according to a study. Tea contains some caffeine, but not as much as coffee, making it a good alternative for those who are sensitive to caffeine. Additionally, tea can help keep you hydrated, which is important for overall health and maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Overall, incorporating tea into your breakfast routine can offer a range of health benefits, from reducing inflammation to aiding in weight loss and promoting hydration. So why not swap out your morning cup of coffee for a cup of green tea and reap the benefits? Number 4. Bananas. Bananas are an excellent addition to a healthy breakfast or as a mid-morning snack. They are a quick and convenient source of nutrition, containing resistant starch which helps support digestive health. Unripe bananas contain more resistant starch, while ripe bananas have more natural sugars. Additionally, bananas are rich in potassium, which may support healthy blood pressure in some individuals. They pair well with nut butter or can be added to oatmeal or cereal for a filling and nutritious breakfast. In summary, bananas are a great option for anyone looking to add more fiber, potassium, and overall nutrition to their morning routine. Number 5. Grapefruits. Grapefruits are another excellent choice for a healthy breakfast. They're low in calories and high in nutrients, including vitamin C, which supports a healthy immune system, and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Additionally, grapefruits have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Eating grapefruit or drinking grapefruit juice before meals has also been shown to aid in weight loss, as it can help reduce appetite and calorie intake. However, grapefruit can interact with some medications. Overall, grapefruits are a nutritious and refreshing addition to any breakfast routine. In conclusion, the importance of breakfast cannot be overstated. Choosing foods that are filling and contain plenty of nutrients can help reduce hunger, increase satiety, and jumpstart metabolism for the day. Eating a nutritious breakfast can also help prevent overeating later in the day and promote overall health and well-being. By making smart choices and incorporating a variety of healthy foods into your morning routine, you can set yourself up for a successful and energized day ahead. Thank you for watching our video on the best foods to eat for breakfast. We hope you found this information helpful in making smarter choices to start your day off right. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest content, which is all geared towards helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.